Yeah, so my name's David Peterson. I took the first class, the core class, and this is Core 1 Plus. So I practice out of California. I sold my practice 6 months ago, and I bought a new practice out in Tennessee, and I'll be practicing out there in about a month. This class has impacted me I got a lot more experience. The first time I got about 24 implants, and then this time in 2 days I placed about 19 implants, but we did a lot of great extractions, a lot of grafting, and then we did a really cool temporary bridge attached to 2 implants, which is something I wanted to do, so it was great. The doctors are there to help you, but they give you, they just stand back and kind of let you do it. And they're not there, holding your hand the whole time. So they're just, here's your case, this is what you're gonna do, and if you run into problems, they kind of let you try to figure it out on your own. Obviously, if you have an issue, they'll help you along the way, but they just they want you to feel more comfortable when you leave, more confident when you go into private practice. You could go to like a maxi course or something like that. You're gonna pay more money and you're not gonna get to put in next to any implants. You'll get maybe 2 implants. You do Core and Core 1 Plus and you get 40 plus implants. It's just a world of difference. Dr. Brown, Dr. Chaffin, Dr. Kwan, everybody here was phenomenal in their help. So I think it was great. I'd recommend it to any of my colleagues.